Hi, welcome back students. We are discussing circle. In a today's section, I am going to discuss exercise 10.5, the second problem. So what is that? A chord of a circle is equal to the radius of the circle. Find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc and also at a point on a major arc. So here they given a circle center O, and thus radius of the circle and the chord of the circle, these two are equal to each other. Here AO is the radius of the circle and BO is the radius of the circle and AB is the chord. So this chord is equal to their radius AO and BO. Is it clear? And here we want to find out the subtended angle. This chord subtended angle at a major arc and minor arc. So we want to find out these two angles here. Is it clear? So let me solve here. So we have AO is equal to OB is equal to AB. This much they given, right? So observe here, in this triangle all sides are equal, means the triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle. So this implies the triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle, right? So it is an equilateral triangle. It means their angles are 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. So that is the angle AOB is equal to 60 degree, right? And we know that one theorem, the angle subtended by the chord at the center is double to the angle subtended by the same chord of a remaining part, right? So write down, we know that the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double to the angle subtended by a same arc on the remaining part of the circle. So that is the angle AOB is equal to 2 times of the angle ACB. Is it clear? So 2 comes this side, this become a division. Angle ACB is equal to 1 by 2 into angle AOB. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into angle AOB is 60 degree, right? So now the angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Is it clear? And see here, the quadrilateral ACBD is a cyclic quadrilateral because the 4 vertices are on the circle. So it is a cyclic quadrilateral. So now ACBD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So it is a cyclic quadrilateral, means we know that the sum of opposite angles is 180. So here the angle ACB plus angle ADB is equal to 180. So angle ACB plus angle ADB is equal to 180. So reason opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. So is it clear? So now here we know that the angle ACB, right? So angle ACB is 30 degree plus the angle ADB as it is. ADB as it is, this is equal to 180. Then the angle ADB is equal to 180 minus 30 degree, we got 150. The angle ADB is equal to 150, right? So this angle is a 150 and this angle is a 30 degree. So write down here. Hence the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc is, so minor arc is 150 degree, and a point on the major arc is 30 degree. Is it clear?